Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Shopify to GA4 data streams, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the online store section. Click on Preferences in the drop-down menu. Scroll down to the Google Analytics section. If you have Google Analytics enabled, remove any existing tracking ID. Next, open a new tab and sign in to your Google Analytics account. Select your GA4 property from the list of properties. In the GA4 dashboard, click on Admin in the lower left corner. Under the Property column, find and click on Data Streams. Select the web data stream you want to connect. In this view, locate the measurement ID. Copy the measurement ID to your clipboard. Return to your Shopify admin panel. Paste the measurement ID into the appropriate field under the Google Analytics section. Ensure that any additional settings for Google Analytics are configured as per your requirements. Save your changes in the Shopify admin. Next, return to your Google Analytics account. To verify the connection, click on the Real-Time Report in GA4. Open your Shopify store in a new incognito window. Interact with your store to generate real-time data. Check back in GA4 to see if your activity appears in the real-time report. If you see your activities recorded, the authentication is successful. If not, double-check the measurement ID for any errors. Once verified, you can explore additional features within GA4 for enhanced tracking. Congratulations, you have successfully authenticated Shopify to GA4 data streams. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.